Hello everyone! Today I am continuing wandering where I will be showing you super cute animals like these cute meerkats. Look at the little sentinel doing his job. The others are roaming and foraging around. This is part 2 of this wandering, so this is where I left it off. And if you've not seen episode 1, then do go and check it out, because I've showed you some beautiful creatures already. Different types of lemurs, lions, tigers, some farm animals, and so forth. There's a bit more to see, and that's why I decided to break it up in two. And as you might know, if you've been watching my little films, is I love meerkats, so I actually spent about a good hour here watching them just for my own enjoyment and trying to observe for myself, not from a documentary, how they behave and what they do, and they're just utterly cute. I am in a sanctuary. It's not the usual zoo. Most of these are either unwanted animals, surpluses from other zoos, rescued ones from circuses, and I don't know, all sorts of other places. That's the story of most of the tigers and lions and some other creatures as well. But let's go and see something else too. Now there's two little lazy bazies. Two beautiful lions. They're brothers. They're called Vigo and Kumba. And they've been lazing around for a good hour plus since I've been around this area. But that is their way. I do hope I'll catch them walking around and maybe doing stuff, but if not, that's fine. They can rest and enjoy the bit of sunshine. Now their story is a little bit sad because, as I said, they are boys, yet you can see that they don't have manes, and that's because they got castrated before they reached their first year of life, which means that holds part of their development, and that's the reason they never developed the mane, the big lion mane that is so very famous. So, no, you've lifted your head, and you too. Yeah, here we go. Maybe they decide they wanna get up so you can see them. Hi guys, look this way. You wanna see your faces? No, something obviously on the other side is more interesting than me. That's fine. I'll go see what else I can find for you. I'm back to snoozing. Another thing I've told you is this habit in the UK of dedicating benches to people who like to be involved in that park, or in this case a zoo. This one is in memory of a lady who used to be tiger mad. It's nice to remember them this way. I found some pretty blooms. They're still buds. Very pretty. Okay, I just spotted some further down. There we go. You can see how they will look like when they open. I am not familiar with this bush. Beautiful. Okay, I hope you can see them. Well, there was one, and there's another. These are the vervet monkeys. One is called Sebastian, and the other one is called Hercules. Grand names for two little monkeys. They're quite far from me. Gonna try and sneak onto the other side. I'm not sure we can see them much better. The light is not in my favor. One of them is up there and one is on the log with its back to me. Hi guys! Other than a big lemur craziness happening an hour ago, all the animals are very calm and tranquil and are lazing around. Okay, there's the Snoozy brothers from this side. Not sure how much it shows, but they are not bothered. Now, I was looking for these guys and I found them. They have one of the biggest habitats. Don't know if they really show. There. They are the Eurasian lynxes. I can see two. There are supposed to be three. Don't know where they are. They're very large for a European kitty cat. They're the third largest predator after the bear and the wolf. Got really beautiful ears, but again it's snooze time. There's a live spraying ground for the children, and what I like is they made a cool climbing frame and slides with a tiger and monkeys. It's really cool. And a jackdaw. I'm looking for food leftovers, and it's gone. Spider monkeys. Hello. Oh, I'm so happy you came close. Did you see how nicely? Oops, sorry. Oh, look at him walking. There's two more in that little. Oopsie. Capsule thing. I hope you can see them. I keep getting annoyed because of the light and all the other obstructions. It's grooming time. These are New World monkeys, because we've seen some others that were from Africa, and the spider monkeys are South American monkeys and Central, I think. Okay, there's three more. The way it is that there's green areas on each side, and then in the middle there's a building like that, and they can go through it, visit each other, spend time together, do whatever they want. Oh guys, you're okay. Trying to find angles where there's less obstructions like twigs and other stuff. Okay, they're checking each other for nits and bugs and stuff, like they always do. And again, it's chill time. I've been here for I think 3 hours and a bit. And it's been chill time ever since, so I'm not quite sure when they are more active. But hey, this is their life. I'm back to the first ones. Look at them little sleepy heads. I don't know if you can see their faces, but they're so cute. Oh, you roll onto your back and scratch your tummy. Funny creatures. Oh, bless you. You sneezed. They're using each other's bums as pillows. Oh, guys. This one that's still up and scratching around, he looks quite old to me. I don't know his story, but looks like a grandpa. We found 2 more meerkats. I don't know why these ones are here, separate from the other 7. I'm thinking maybe they are new ones and they need to be kept in quarantine for a while. I have no idea. They're very cute though. Both of them are digging happily. Hello, cute face. Okay, let's see what else is there. I am back to the Wallaby territory. I showed you a couple in the first episode, but they were really far from me, so these ones are finally a bit closer. We can see them better, and there's 3. There was one other on the other side I spotted, so I still can't see the 5 of them. There's supposed to be 5. Hello. He's pricking his ears up. Are you listening to me? Again, it's lazy time. So they're chilling. No hopping around. I'll let you guys enjoy your siesta. There's a fish sculpture, and I think he was originally made to be a water fountain, the way I see his mouth. This looks beautiful. There's a tiny pond just there that's enclosed with a fake heron. And we are under some palm trees. And why I stopped, other than admire them, is that look, on the side of the trunk of this one, some flowers have decided to find a home. How cool is that? I'm back to some of the lemurs, because other than these ring-tailed ones, there, I'm gonna try and zoom on. There's 2, and those are Mongoose Lemurs. Oh, the noises. Okay, so what I wanted to say is that one of them is called Mclovin. And he's got an interesting story. He was illegally caught in Madagascar as a baby, and then he was sold to a Polish sailor as his pet. Let's look at the other ones in the meantime as well. And he sailed around the world many times before he came to live here on the Isle of Wight. No one knows exactly how old he is, but it's believed that he's between 35 to 40 years old. So this is just one example of how these animals who live in this sanctuary have come to live here in a better place with some little pals to play with. Some of them are not illegally traded or anything. They are extras from other zoos, because every zoo can only take on that many, and if they have babies then they need to pass them around to other places. But there, you can see they are chilling, munching. Okay, there's a play area nearby and the kids are having fun. There's a really cool big crow there, scratching. Today's itchy scratchy day. Something cute and fluffy is hiding under there. We have seen him in the first part, but I am revisiting things because there's a few animals I didn't get to see because they were hiding, like the turtles and some other bits. Hey, little fluffy bunny. There you are. Now we've seen these two, but we didn't see the third one, which is the furthest from me. There. Hope she's okay. Looks like she's got some sores on her tummy. Okay, Mickey interaction. And just opposite them are the lions. Well, I know they're really well fed and stuff, but this is a bit of a joke to put yummy juicy pigs just in their sight. Hello, you're beautiful. It's a shame I can't have a proper... Oh, that was just driving behind me, so that was all the noise. Back to you. Obviously it needs to be grated because we would not be safe, but it's taking away of the joy of seeing them in one piece without lines across them. And there is his lady sleeping on the top of the rock, getting the most sun she can. There, you can see both of them. And back to the goats as well, because why not? I'm waiting for some of the others to come out from where they are hiding. And I didn't see these ones up close before. Oh, look at you. You're very big. And beautiful. He's very curious of the ones that are on the other side. I did talk about them in the previous part. Those are new. Oops. Headbutting. Don't be cross. Try and be friends. Interesting. Because on the other side there's two males and one female. And it's the female that's the feisty one. I didn't want to be friends with these ones. So they will get to know each other after a while. It's only their second day here. So look, look. Don't know if you can see it, but they're butting heads there in the corner. And I also came back to the tigers, because now we can see 3. So there's 1, 2, and 3 is down there. He's crunching some bones, this one I think. Look at those beautiful stripes. The sun has come out now. Trying to show you. If he moves his head, the bone he's holding between his paws. And crunching it. Okay, people have moved, so I got to come to this side. I hope you can hear the crunching sound. Oh. Okay, the caretakers just drove away, and they know them, recognize them, and react to them. It's quite amazing. Please, you turn your head and we could see you. Okay. And Lazy Basie, number 3, with his beautifully striped coat. Look at you. Their enclosure is really cool. Other than the pond, they made things they can climb on, and that one looks like the ruin of a Hindu temple. Hello. Oh, you're gorgeous. Can we see your face? There we go. Hello. Well, what did you notice? Oh, here we go again. Little sleepyhead. Oh, big sleepyhead. Oh, can I film you? There, maybe. Oh, these gratings annoy me. And down. There we go. And I lost my thought. I don't know what I was saying. Anyway, I think that's it with the tigers for now. back to the one that was munching the bone. He's finished, or she, I don't know which is which. And now she's cleaning her paws. So as you can see, I'm not done with the tigers quite yet. Oh. Oh, there's still some meat there. I spotted it when she moved. Oh, look what you cleaning up. Big cat indeed. The whiskers are very long and very strong. They almost look like a porcupine's stingy things. Pines. By the way, there is a porcupine, but it's been hiding. I still have not spotted him, so that's that. Okay, big kitty. Ciao. Okay, I have decided to end this wandering here. As I did mention, there are some other creatures that I did not get to show you neither in part 1 or part 2 because they are hiding and there's nothing one can do about it. So I hope that you enjoyed it. I surely did, and I'm still sticking around. You know, hope always does last, so I have time. And if I do get to see something else, I'm gonna just film shorter individual videos and will still post them on one of my daily ones. So that's that. It's a lovely small sanctuary, but it has some big characters in it. And if you're on the Isle of Wight sometimes, I recommend you come and visit it. And also I enjoyed it that though it had visitors, it was not overcrowded. So goodbye from tigers, lions, goats and everything else that we got to see. Have a lovely rest of the day and see you next time. Bye!